Are you waking up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you have weird skin issues, bloating, or brain fog that your doctor just can't seem to explain? If you feel like your body is slowly breaking down, and you don't know why, listen closely. It might not be aging. It might not be your thyroid. It is very likely the silent engine of your body crying for help, your liver. Today, we are diving deep into the 10 major warning signs that your liver is full of toxins, struggling to keep up, and needs your immediate attention. And stick around until the end, because sign number 9 is something almost everyone ignores, and I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to start reversing the damage today. Let's get into it. Before we hit the list, you need to understand what's happening. Your liver is your body's master filter. It processes everything you eat, drink, breathe, and put on your skin. It holds onto the good stuff, vitamins and minerals, and it filters out the trash, toxins, chemicals, and excess hormones. Imagine the air filter in your car or a vacuum cleaner. If you never clean it, what happens? It gets clogged. Air can't pass through. When your liver gets clogged with too much sugar, processed fats, environmental toxins, and alcohol, it becomes sluggish. It becomes fatty. And when the filter is full, those toxins have nowhere else to go, so they spill back into your bloodstream and circulate through your entire body. That is when these 10 signs start showing up. Sign number 1, unexplained skin issues and itching. Sign number 1 is written all over your skin. Your skin is often a mirror of what's happening inside your gut and liver. When the liver is overwhelmed, it can't effectively eliminate toxins through urine or stool. The body, in a desperate attempt to get these poisons out, tries to push them out through sweat. This leads to acne, eczema, psoriasis flare-ups, and a very specific symptom, itchy skin with no visible rash. If your skin feels itchy all over, especially on your palms or soles of your feet, your liver is struggling. Sign number 2, chronic fatigue and weakness. We're not talking about being tired after a long day. We're talking about waking up exhausted, feeling like you're moving through mud, and needing caffeine just to function. The liver is responsible for converting glucose into energy. If it's toxic and sluggish, that energy production line breaks down. You have plenty of fuel in your body, but your liver can't access it efficiently. Sign number 3, abdominal bloating and pain. Are you constantly bloated, especially after eating fatty meals? Does your stomach feel distended and hard? A struggling liver often leads to poor bile production. You need bile to break down fats. If you don't have enough, fat sits in your gut, causing gas and severe bloating. You might also feel a dull ache or heaviness right here, in the upper right side of your abdomen, just under your ribs. That is where your liver lives. Sign number 4, yellowing eyes or skin, jaundice. This is the biggest red flag on the list. If you notice the whites of your eyes turning yellowish, or your skin taking on a jaundiced tint, see a doctor immediately. This happens when a waste product called bilirubin builds up in the blood because the liver is too damaged to process it. Do not ignore this sign. Sign number 5, changes in stool and urine color. Nobody likes to talk about this, but you have to look before you flush. If you are drinking enough water, your urine should be pale yellow. If it's consistently dark orange or brownish, it's a sign of liver stress. Conversely, if your stool is pale, clay-colored, or floats because it's fatty, it means your liver isn't releasing bile correctly. Sign number 6, brain fog and poor concentration. Do you walk into a room and forget why you're there? Is it hard to focus at work? When the liver can't filter toxins out of the blood, those toxins, specifically ammonia, can cross the blood-brain barrier. This literally poisons your brain function, leading to confusion, memory issues, and severe brain fog. Sign number 7, bad breath and body odor. If you brush your teeth and use deodorant, but still have chronic bad breath or strong body odor, it's an internal problem. Remember, the liver is a filter. When the filter is clogged, the garbage smell has to escape somehow. It comes out in your breath and your sweat. It's a sign your system is backing up. Sign number 8, fluid retention, edema. Are your ankles swollen at the end of the day? Do your rings feel tight? A damaged liver produces fewer proteins, specifically albumin, which helps keep fluid in your blood vessels. Without enough albumin, fluid leaks into your tissues, causing swelling in your legs, ankles, and feet. Sign number 9, chemical sensitivity, the surprising one. Host, this is the one most people miss. Have you suddenly become sensitive to smells? Do perfumes, cleaning aisles in the grocery store, or cigarette smoke instantly give you a headache or make you feel nauseous? This is a classic sign of a burdened liver detoxification pathway. Your liver is already at max capacity processing internal toxins. When you introduce external chemicals through your nose, it just can't handle the extra load, and your body reacts negatively. Sign number 10, easy bruising and bleeding. Finally, number 10. If you bump into a table lightly and get a massive bruise, or if your gums bleed every time you brush your teeth, take note. Your liver produces the proteins necessary for your blood to clot. A struggling liver means fewer clotting factors, leading to easy bleeding. Okay, take a deep breath. I know that list can be scary. Maybe you counted 3, 4, or 5 of those symptoms. But here is the good news. The incredible news. The liver is the only organ in your body that can completely regenerate itself. If you cut off half of a healthy liver, it will grow back. It wants to heal. You just have to stop poisoning it and give it the right tools. If you have these symptoms, here are the 3 immediate steps you need to take. Stop the incoming toxins. You must drastically cut refined sugar and alcohol for at least 30 days. Give the filter a break. Hydrate with lemon. Start every morning with warm water and fresh lemon juice. This stimulates the liver to dump bile and flush toxins. Eat cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds specifically designed to support liver detoxification pathways. Your health is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, I'm going to be doing a follow-up video next week on the top 7 foods that cleanse your liver fast. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss that life-saving information. Thanks for watching, and take care of your body.